Guys, welcome to my channel. Hope you guys are doing really great, and today's video is about this beauty wish box. I was so lazy shooting this video today. I had this severe headache and I seriously did not want to film this video, but then I got over it finally after sleeping for 4-5 hours. You can see how sleepy I look right now. Like seriously, my face looks so swollen up, my eyes are so small, even though they are not that small anyways. So since my headache is gone now, I thought I should film this video, and I also wanted to film this video because I seriously loved the bag this time. I was like, oh, it's such an amazing bag. So I just wanted to share this with you guys. So let's just get started with the beauty wish box for the month of November. Yeah, for the month of November. So I've already opened the bag. As you can see, as I'm telling you that the bag was so I've already opened the bag, and the bag looks like this. Isn't it beautiful? It's like a sling bag. I seriously love the color. It's blue. I loved the color of the bag. It is an amazing gorgeous blue sling bag, and it has a zip as well here. So loved the bag. I think this month's theme was, I don't remember. Nowadays I keep on forgetting things. What was the theme? It's not mentioned here. I'll mention it somewhere here or here what the theme was, because I seriously don't remember it. And let's just dig into this bag of surprises. So the first thing up is the card, which talks about all the product. The products are, they mention it in the way they have the products for the care. Beauty wish box is not a cosmetic bag, but it's a skincare subscription bag. If you guys don't know it, like, it's a monthly skincare product subscription bag, wherein you get one full size and some sample size products for your skin care, your hair care, your foot care. So they have mentioned in this card, according to the body part, which product takes care. So it has a body care product, it has a hand and foot care product, it has a face care product, and it has your lip care product. So the first thing in the bag that I got is this Kiwi hand and nail cream. I've said this like a dozen of times, a gazillion times earlier as well, that I seriously love the way they pack each and everything, because there are really very less chances of your products to get damaged, or other products being damaged by some other product. So it is a Kiwi and hand cream. I got sample size in my earlier bag, and I seriously, to the core, I loved it. Initially I did not, to be very honest, but then I used it and it does wonders. Seriously guys, I applied it. I had like really bad hands. You can see I have like really bad hands, and it's winter, it will get worse, so I need some kind of a hand cream. So I had like worst hand than this. They were all cracking up. They were like black hands. I don't know why, but then I used the Kiwi hand and nail cream one night, and the next morning it was like, woohoo, my hands are so beautiful. So I love this product. Its smell is also amazing. Really beautiful smell. Seriously beautiful smelling hand and nail cream. I love the bottle. Look at the size. It is so enormous. Like, I love the size. This is 125 ml bottle, and it is from the it is from the Foressence range, and it has kiwi extracts, shea butter extract, kokum butter, olive oil, wheat germ oil, sweet almond oil, avocado oil, jojoba oil, vitamin E, grapeseed oil. So all those beautiful things are in this small little bottle. First thing was that. Now let's see what do we have in this bag. Okay, so the next thing is this peach something. It is something which is peachy, something which is peachy. Let me just open it. Yeah, this is a peach creme wash. I think I got a peach body butter in the last bag, and guys, it was so amazing. Beautiful smell, beautiful texture, and really nice formulation. Amazing body butter. This has a similar smell. Looking forward to use this because I seriously love that peach body butter. Amazing butter. I mean, amazing body butter, amazing body lotion. Everyone should try it. I have a colleague at office and she also has this subscription. I told her about the the peach body butter and she even loved it. I mean, it was not just me who loves it. Another person is also there to testify the product. So the next thing that is in this is vanilla vitamin E face cream, and I'm sure this smells amazing because it is vanilla and I'm not able to open it. Yeah, finally. Okay, so oops, I got this one earlier. I think I gifted that to my sister. It smells like ice cream. Seriously, it smells like ice cream. I wish I could taste it. So it is really nice consistency. It's not sticky. You can see it's not sticky at all, and it has like this soft texture to it. Really love this product as well. I'm looking forward. I mean, I seriously loved the bag this time. It is curated so well, crafted so well. So the next thing is this lavender body butter. So since I loved the peach body butter 2 bits, like 2 bits, I'm looking forward to buy a full size of it because it is such an amazing product. Probably this is nice. It's lavender Lang Lang. I don't know. It's YALYLANG. So I'll probably pronounce that as Lang Lang body butter. Body butter, and it's for dry skin, which is like just the apt thing for me. I tend to have like severely dried skin in winters and it is severely oily in summers. I don't know why. I think skin just the way the climate is, the skin just changes according to that. So the next thing up is this walnut mint foot scrub. Walnut mint foot scrub. This is a 20 ml bottle. I already have this. I mean, the same size of it. I got it in my earlier Beauty Wish box and I love this one as well. It has a strong mint fragrance going on, and those walnut bits are like helps in exfoliating. So amazing product again. And the last product here is the Nature's Company Green Apple Lip Balm. I actually smelled it because it was not bubble wrapped, so I smelled it. And I love the smell. It is that citrusy green apple smell, and it's such a gorgeous bottle there. I mean, look at that. Isn't that beautiful? This is 2.5 grams and it says that it has a 12-hour hydration formula that moisturizes, softens and heals chapped lips. So also looking forward to use this because it's winters and you need all those lip balms. And that's all that was there in the bag. It's all empty now except this 35% off on these products card. Just all is finished, like it's all empty now. That's all that I had in my Beauty Wish box. Hope you guys enjoyed unboxing and going through the products that we had in this month's Beauty Wish box. I seriously loved the Beauty Wish box this month. It was so well crafted. I loved each and every product of it. Hope you guys enjoyed it too. Do give this video a thumbs up if you like this video and subscribe to this channel if you haven't already done so. I'll really appreciate that. And you can also follow me on all my social medias. They will be in the bottom bar below. Do not forget to check them out as well to stay updated on what videos I put up and everything of that sort. Till then, I'll see you next time. Take care, stay beautiful, bye.